morning, students. So I hope that you're all safe in your home. So through this video, I tried to do my best. So already we discussed about financial statement, format of the financial statement. Today we are going to discuss on the next chapter. See here, financial analysis of financial statement, analysis of financial statement. So here, what is the meaning of financial statement? The process of critical evaluation of the financial information contained in the financial statement in order to understand and make decision, ultimately to know our operation of the firm. Okay, that is the very important point. Then coming here, what do you mean by analysis? So analysis contained together. One is analysis, another is interpretation. Here what is meant by analysis? Simplification of data. Okay, whatever it is, you have to taking data how to be simplified. Then second point here, interpretation. How to interpret the available information. So explain the meaning and significance of data. So these are the two important points we are going to discuss. Okay, so who will get benefit of analysis of financial statement? Okay, so they are very important. From the statement, who are our available user? So as you know, our user is first of all financial manager, then top management, third one trade payables, then lenders, then investors, labor, unions, finally others. Okay, in your NCERT book, now all take the NCERT book, page number 176. That is better. You keep in your NCERT book with a notebook, okay, with a pen. So then only you can able to follow. So these are the introduction. Again I repeat you, analysis of financial statement. Okay, the meaning. Then who are the users? Before this is very important point. Analysis and interpretation. This is a two important point. Okay, what do you mean by analysis? What do you mean by interpretation? I explained clearly everything in your NCERT book. Okay, right now you want to utilize first our NCERT book. You take page number 176. Okay, then here the users. So here finance manager. So our finance manager, first of all I will take the book with help you. So finance manager here, they will first of all what? Very important. Finance manager, they want to know the managerial performance. Okay, our company performance. The top management, overall profitability of the company. Then our trade payable. Here trade payable very important. Our repaying capacity about our availability of resources. How to have to repay. Trade payable may be two-way. What about creditors? What about debtors? Here the trade payable mostly our creditors. Okay, then lenders. So lenders is usually who given money to the company. Okay, so for that they want to know our financial capacity. So naturally financial statement helpful for them. Then investors, the person who given money mostly for the shareholders, like that they are expecting for the usually dividend. Then here labor unions. Labor unions want to know our performance of the company. Then finally others. Okay, others who are the government. Then other parties. Okay, here we are going to discuss all. The next one, very important, our objectives. Now 1,20,000. So difference is what? See, it is decreased. See, current, this is last year, current year. So it is degrees. So 30,000. Degrees, how to write? Put in the bracket. For this, how we are going to calculate? Again coming here, I will write other income. So likewise you want to do. Here working note is very important. Okay, what is our degrees? 30,000 divided by our 1,50,000 first year figure into 100. So how to calculate? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here 1, here 1. Here how many times? 5 times. Finally 20%. Okay, 20%. Now understood na? So other income 30,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 100. So 20%. Now we are going to write here 20% but in the bracket. Okay. Now you want to put dash. Now this is our second one, then our third one. What is our third? Total. So total is what? Here 61,50,000. Here 76,20,000. Here our net figure is 14,70,000. So here again we're coming here, our total, okay, total revenue. So here we have to write total revenue. For that also, how to calculate. That's why here, total revenue. Again, we are going to calculate total revenue. Okay, total revenue, again what? So our total revenue, see 14,70,000. 14,70,000 divided by our 61,50,000. 61,50,000 into 100. How to calculate? So for us, no calculator. That's why you want to know our especially what? Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. Okay, so that's why here you each and everything you can't write as a note. That's why you please have to work out very well. Here see again 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. So my final figure, how I will take? So 1, 4, 7. Then these two figure I am added here. So then divided by 615. So likewise you want to calculate. Okay, 615. Then how you have to do, sir? So how to do? 14,700,000 you are going to divide it by 615. So this way, this is very interesting one. You should know division. Okay, here how to calculate. So 1, 2, 3, you take it 4 figure first. For example, consider 600. So 4 times is what? 4 into 600, so 2,400. So little bit more. So how will take first? So maybe 1470. I consider 2 times. Maybe 600 means 1,200. Okay, so 2 times. 2 times what is the answer will come? 1, 2, 3, 0. Okay, how sir? 0. Okay, multiplication 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 1, 1 2s are 2 1 3, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so 6 1 15 into 2, 1,230. So what is the balancing figure here? 0, 4, 7 minus 3, 4. Here what? 2. Okay, so again I will add this figure. This 0, I put it down here, 600. Okay, so now I will, how many times I work out mostly, I consider 615. So naturally, it may be coming under, I put it what? 3 times. Okay, 3 times, what is the answer? 5 3s are 5. Okay, my answer is 1845. So due to time construction, I will explain. So 5 into 3, 15, 1, 1 3s are 1, 4, 6 3s are 18. Okay, so you get this is the answer. So what is the next answer? 5, 5, 5. Again I put it here, that's all, 555. So this is 615, this is less one. So what I should know? Put point. You understood in the decimal. Because unable to divide, put it point. Now I put it 0. Now how many times I am going to calculate? For example, I already said 6, accordingly 600. So 4 or 5 times, how many times it will come? 6 times maybe, or how many times? Okay, so I consider accordingly 9 times. So 10 times means 600 means 6,000. Okay, I put it 600. 10 times means 6,000. So I put it 9. Okay, so how many times? So 615 into 9. What is my answer? 5, 5, 3, 5. That is my answer. Okay, 5, 5, 3, 5. 615 into 9 multiply 5, 5, 3, 5. So what is my balancing figure? 150. Okay, so unable to calculate. So I put it 0. What is my answer here? 23.90. See how lengthy this reason, because this is a bigger figure. Okay, this is the bigger figure. So likewise, you want to work out now. Okay, now understood now. So how to calculate 23.90? You understood. Okay, now same manner going for the next item. So what is my next item? Now my total is over. Again my 4 to 1. Less expenses. Okay, expenses. As a expenses, already in our book they are given. This is 44 lakhs. Okay, 44 lakhs. Then here 50 lakhs, 60,000. So what's the difference? So naturally you will get a difference, 6 lakh, 60,000. Again you go for here, a fourth working notes, listen carefully, a fourth working notes, put heading expenses. Okay, what is my changes? 6,60,000 divided by my basic figure, how much? 44 lakhs. Okay, see 44, this is easy one, lakhs into 100. So again 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I considered as how many times? For example, here 6 11s are 66, 4 11s are 44. Okay, here I put it 1 0 cut it here, 1 0. So finally 60 divided by 4. How many times you will get? Naturally 1 4s are 4, 5, 15. So answer is what? 15%. Okay, this is very easy, 15%. Likewise, you want to write. Now understood this calculation, so easily you can do. Okay, now I'm going for the next one. My next one is what? Now you want to know income. Okay, what is the how we will do profit before tax. Okay, so what is the profit before tax? 17 lakhs 50,000. Simply you can, this is this minus this. Okay, then again this minus this, 25 lakhs 60,000. Okay, then again this minus this, 8 lakh 10,000. Okay, so we can't minus this again. For this also we're going to calculate. I've understood how to do percentage change. So each and everything we want to calculate separately. So now profit before tax is equal to, my changes 8 lakhs 10,000 divided by, what is my basic figure? 17 lakhs 50,000 into 100. Okay, so how you will going to simplify? See, listen here. How this is also lengthy one. Again 1 2 3 4 0 cut. 1 2 3 4 0 cut. So what is my final answer? 8,100. You can going to divide by 175. So here only we have lengthy answer. How to calculate? So I will clean it here. Wait 1 minute. So here I will clean it 6 times. Okay. So what are the calculation? So 1 4 again 7 0. 6 times 5 6 are 33. 4 6 are 24 plus 3 is 7. So 2 6 are 12 plus 14. So what is the balance? 6 14 7 what? 7. Then here 1. Again I put it this 0 down 0. So again 1760. I consider 250. So how many times it will go? Maybe 250 means 7 2s are 40,400. So I put it 7 times 7. I multiply 245 into 7. So what is the answer? So 1715. Okay, the multiplication. 5 7s are 35, 3, 4 7s are 28 plus 3, 31, 2 7s are 14 plus 3, 17. Okay, likewise, the final answer here 450. Again 450, here 245. Okay, how many times? Again, maybe I put 1.1. 1 times 245. Okay, 245. So only 1 times. So what is the balance here? 205. So 205, 245. So I am unable to do. So likewise, then I put 0 here. Maybe I consider 250 means it will coming under 8 times. So approximately to 2000, 1960 it will come. 1 you check it, 1960. So maybe our answer is 67.18. Okay. So here the multiplication is very, very, very important. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Then, so finally we will get tax. Then for climax profit after tax. This is called, you can simplify profit before tax. This is profit after tax. So you will say BPT or PAT. So you know from 17 lakh 50, 6 lakh 12,500, you know 11,037,500. Okay, from this minus this, again 15 lakhs 36,000 and 3 lakh 98,500. So for this, our final climax, how to do the calculation. See here, again, I put it here, this calculation once again in the top. Wait 1 minute. Okay, so finally 3 lakh, our profit, continuation, our final number, you put it number one by one, that is better. So final number is what? Profit after tax. So what is the answer? 3,98,500 divided by 11,37,500 into 100. So you want to simplify again, 0, 0. Again, 3,98,500, how many times? Maybe first we will do it 5 times. So 79,700, put it 5 times. Again this also 5 times. How much we will get? So 2275, okay? 2275. Again you put it 5 times, 5 table, 15,940. If you put it 5 tables, again what is the answer? 455. Okay, 4 5s are 20, again 27, 5 5s are 25, 25. So final 15,940 divided by 455. Okay, 455. So how many times we are going to discuss? Okay, we are going to calculate. So 1, 2, 3. We consider 4 figure. So if I consider 500, so 5 times maybe. Okay, so 5 times are so 400. So maybe I consider 3 times. So 455 into 3 how much? 1365. So what is the balance? 229. So again unable to do it division, so I put the 0 this. So again I considered how many times? Like I considered 500 means 5 times 5 into 500, 2,500. Okay. So 5 times. So what is our answer? 2275. So what is the difference? 1, 5. Okay. So point. I put this 0. So 150. Again unable to calculate. Again I put 0. So how many times naturally I put it 500. 3, 500, 1,500. Maybe 3. So what is our answer? 1365. So balance maybe you will get approximately 35. So my answer is 35.3. 35.3. So this is the way we are going to calculate comparative statement. Okay, here each and every year we are going to calculate here. So be careful, division is very, very important. So accordingly, because for us calculator is not allowed. So for that practice is very, very important. Okay. So accordingly you work out like this. Okay. So thank you. So first you will go through it through this video. So any doubt you call my number. So later on by exercise I will tell you how to do. Okay. Thank you.